Hello and welcome back to Sam's Garage. We are back with another video of the Squarebody Suburban. The lift is pretty much complete. Let me turn around right here. There she is. Let's have a look at her real quick. Okay, so we put the 4-inch Tough Country lift in, easy ride suspension system. It was a pretty easy install for the most part. We also have a Fox Adventure Series shocks on all 4 corners. The only problem I had with installing this lift was I could not get these out. I got the bolts off, I couldn't get the cone washers out, so I had to stay with the stock arm and go to rough country and get this offset arm, which I don't really like it, but it works for now. So what I need to do is get these out, put the lifted arm in, and get the factory one. I might have to get a drop of this too. Drop pitman arm, and I have to do my steering box that is leaking pretty bad, so that's what the front's looking like. I also put my light bar on here, but I did not hook it up yet. And still needs an alignment. Steering wheel's off when I did the lift. I mean, it drives pretty straight down the road. Probably get it aligned anyway. So I ended up selling my 2005 Duramax. Just had a lot of rust on it that was getting worse, and I just didn't really want to do the work on it. I'd rather get a rust-free one out here in Arizona. So I ended up selling that and getting a 22 Tacoma as a new daily driver. But these wheels and tires are on it. I'm sorry, just the tires, not the wheels. These tires are on it, so I had them laying around, and instead of going out and buying new 35s, which I could have done, I got these. These are 285, basically a 33. I mean, it looks good, but I still think it looks kind of small at the same time. I may go to 35-inch BFG Cam 3s. They kind of measure out to be a 34.5. They don't really true to size. But yeah, that's really all the upgrades on the lift and everything. And not much else I did. I do need to get extended brake lines for the front. I did finally get this back together. It doesn't fall anymore. I put new screws in there. I did get my heat working. Got the heater core lines all hooked up, but now the blower stopped working, so I need to figure that out. I think it's the resistor or the actual blower motor itself, so we need to look into that. Oh yeah, and a big update for the interior. I'm sorry, I lied. I did do more. I got new door panels for all 4 doors. I told you I was going blue with this interior, and the door panels were needed, so I wanted to do those first. So we got these. They're in pretty good shape. I mean, they're not bad. It was a little faded on here, so you can kind of see the line where I painted it. I didn't want to paint the whole thing. You know, this isn't a show truck. It's going to be for camping, off-roading, and what have you. I got a lower panel for this, and I got this window kind of working. It goes down and it stops. Got to figure that out. The back ones are great. Still gotta do the carpet, still gotta do the headliner. So still got to paint some other plastics I have, but it's a work in progress. But it definitely looks a little better than when you saw it in the first video. And yeah, we went up some hills, but they were back that way last time. So we're gonna go up some of these hills and see how she does. Gotta lock in the hubs first. This one's a little tighter. That one's not quite locked in all the way. It's a little tighter. May have to go back and forth a little bit to help loosen it up. I know I had to do that. Oh, she's locked in now. Made us be a little tight. Now we can throw her in full wheel. We're gonna go to 4 low all the way down. Come on, get in there. There we are. Oh yeah, I feel her now. She's locked in. Okay, so I think we're gonna go up the middle one right here first. Wow, she made it. Would you look at that? Awesome. Now we're gonna go down. she did okay. Struggled a little bit on that one. I mean, that one has some really good twisty, turny, twisty, flexy sections on it. I had to go up and couldn't really pick the right line up that one. Going up on the left side seemed to be the best position to put the tires. So I tried a couple times and eventually it started to bite and climb. I mean, this is a long truck. It's a long rig. Not really a trail crawler, but I just wanted to put it through that one to see what it could do if the need arises, if I ever had to do something like that. Coming down that hill was fine. Like I said, this isn't really going to be a rock crawler. I just wanted to see what it could do on a line like that. Hills like that I could do, or probably won't even ever see stuff like this when I take it out. It's just going to be for mild trails. Yeah, there are a lot of rattles and squeaks, but this truck does drive pretty nice down a dirt road. Once I get some nice 35s on here, air down a little bit, it'll be smooth as butter. These tires are fully aired up at the moment. I am hearing a faint grinding sound when I'm flexing and accelerating a little faster in four-wheel drive. I'm not sure what that is. If anyone does know what that is, please let me know in the comments. Let's see if I can replicate it right here. Did any of you guys hear that? It's like a grinding or something. I don't know what that is. But we're gonna take this down to the power lines and go down to power lines, and then we'll probably come back. This is one beast of a truck for sure. And like I said, this isn't gonna be a rock crawl. It's gonna be more just camping, Forest Service roads and stuff like that. I mean, this truck just goes through anything. Like, I got a little muddy there. She did pretty good. All in all, I think it's going to be a pretty good truck. Like I said, we're just going to do camping and stuff like that. We're going to build it up. We're going to put the Raptor liner. But it definitely proved itself today. Well, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.